So today we're at the open day of ours at Clean Seal. We're really excited about what we're doing. We're the only company in the world that clean and seal kitchen extraction systems, and with the help of Wakefield First and Wakefield Council and Gareth and Sarah from the council, are putting us in the right direction and pointing us, for the people we need to speak to about where we find levies and funding for apprentices and for innovation, for the digital grants and things to help us grow as a business. And we all need things like this as we move forward. You can't do everything on your own, and you shouldn't do. There's loads of support networks in the Wakefield area.